Hey everyone, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage, and behind me I have our 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 500, and this is our TST product showcase. For years we've been supporting the Kawasaki market, and in 2024 they decided to get rid of the Ninja 400 and release this beautiful all new Ninja 500, their newest lineup in the Kawasaki sport bike world. And due to our experience and success in the Ninja 400 market, naturally we merged right into that lane and decided to take over. And as you can see in front of me, we have a full suite of parts available for the Ninja 500 with a few more odds and ends to come. But now I want to go ahead and go over some of the key products we have available for riders like yourself watching this video and who are interested in upgrading their Ninja 500, whether that be aesthetically or performance-wise. Starting on this end, as you can see, we have some crash protection components. We do have our TST no-cut frame sliders paired with our Ninja 500 rear set brackets. These allow you to adjust your rear set position on your motorcycle. They're a more robust build than the stock ones, and they're anodized black, really nice finish. CNC machined aluminum all the way through, made right here in the USA. Moving on over to the middle of the table, we have a few different products ranging. So let's go ahead. We have our fender eliminator brackets, 3 options available, 2 in a high mount position and 1 with a super sleek low mount configuration. We have our undertail closeout, our highly sought after industry standard, I would say, Nexus turn signals, plug and play for your application, regardless of what model you have. These have been hugely successful across many different Kawasaki models, and the Ninja 500 is becoming one of them. We have our Womatech shorty levers, CNC machined aluminum anodized black with a red adjuster by default, but we do have different color adjusters available if you desire to swap that out. Now moving on over from that, we're really getting into the nitty-gritty of some of the performance stuff. And I would like to highlight the fact that a lot of these performance upgrades that we have available for the 500 have been derived from our success in racing the Ninja 400 and carrying it over to the Ninja 500. And that is spearheaded by our TST Works department. So when you see this Works logo, you know exactly where it came from. All of these products are designed in-house by our team of engineers and tested thoroughly in the most extreme race applications before they are ever made available to the public for your common use. But we can go ahead and highlight some of those components now. Obviously we have the most glorious piece of them all. Everyone loves a little bit of eye candy, and this is a whole lot of it. Our Works carbon fiber airbox. This replaces your OEM airbox and improves the performance on your bike. Obviously you will need a tune to see the most out of that performance, but this thing really screams. It's super lightweight, the finish on it is incredible, and we topped it off with our Tuned by Works badge. If getting an airbox is a little too rich for your blood, don't worry, you can still reap some of the benefits by purchasing and utilizing our Works V2 Velocity stacks. These replace your OEM stacks and provide ample performance gains when paired with an appropriate flash, which is also offered by us with our Works ECU flash. And moving on from there, but staying with our Works progress, we do have our smog block off kit and of course our mirror block offs. These are designed to cover the holes left behind from removing your OEM mirrors with a nice sleek finish, CNC machined anodized aluminum, beautiful finish, easy to install, no modifications needed. What more can you ask for? We also have our captive wheel spacers and captive chain adjusters. If you've ever done any rear wheel maintenance on your Ninja 500, you've probably lost your mind and you've probably lost some of your end caps or wheel spacers in the process. Don't worry, we got you covered. Our captive chain adjusters paired with our captive wheel spacers, if that's your T, really make the job easy and hassle-free. You no longer have to worry about grabbing components as they're rolling around your garage floor. We've also seen people in stock applications on Facebook groups and forums posting that they lost their OEM end caps while just riding. That is no longer the case with our captive chain adjuster system. And you can pair it with our GP lifters for a very secure and reliable mounting method. And coming on over to the back of the table, we have more crash protection components designed by our partner company Wometech in Poland, and some products designed by ourselves here. But we have spools, spool sliders, our front axle sliders. We do offer these with a black base and a red base and a silver base. And then of course our Wometech bar ends you see here available in black, a really nice sleek finish. Now I do want to highlight, we just went over all the products that we currently have available, but a big question everyone has is, what about an integrated taillight? So we offer our fender eliminator, we offer a full line of aftermarket external signals that can all be plug and play with the appropriate harness converters, but we do not yet have an integrated taillight. And our Ninja 400 one kind of set the standard for Ninja 500 owners, because that taillight has been used across different models and multiple generations. It really has become a staple for Kawasaki owners. You do not need to fret. We do have a Ninja 500 integrated taillight in the works. We are very early in the stages of development, mid 2024 as I film this, but we are hoping to launch one sometime in 2025. It will be a very sleek, unique, pristine product, various programmable functions, and of course, the quality you know and love, completely plug and play. What else can you say? Now, it's taken some time, and I know a lot of people are wondering why, what goes into making a taillight. Maybe we can get into that one day, but I did just want to mention that, give you all a little feeler out there. We are going to be releasing an integrated taillight with time. So if you want to catch up on more info on that, please be sure to check out our website. When we are ready and able to post some public information regarding that product, our website and our social media pages will be the first places to find that information out. And one last thing to highlight, the beauty of this all, and the proof is right here as I'm filming this, but we actually have installation videos for 99% of the products shown on this table. We take a lot of effort into filming those videos so that you, the rider, no longer have to rely on a shop and pay some outrageous fees. You can build the confidence in yourself by working on your bike, familiarizing yourself with the components, and who doesn't love saving some money? So that's all we have currently for the Ninja 500. We're really excited for this platform. It's been hugely successful, starting with the Ninja 400, its predecessor, and now with the all new Ninja 500. They really have taken it up a notch, and we're excited to be here. And it's also important to note there are products that we offer that aren't on this table, like exhaust systems and windscreens and tank grips. So if you want to check those items out, there is one place you can see everything we have available, and that's our website, tstindustries.com. The link can be found in the description below. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button already if you haven't already, and be sure to turn the notification bell on to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we've got going on. If you want to drop a comment, say hey, we'd love to hear from you. Let us know where you're watching in from, what ride you're riding, and what else you'd like to see for the Ninja 500. You can do so in the comment field below. And lastly, be sure to stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all username TST Industries. For now, this has been Mark in the TST Garage signing off. I hope you all ride safe. See you next time.